You want a quick and delicious way to lose weight? Here's a green salad recipe that is as nutritious as it is tasty. Let's get started. You will need lettuce, 2 small slices of cucumber diced, 1 green apple slice, 1 cup of cherry tomato, 1 onion chopped, red cabbage 150 parsley, half a lime's juice, 30 ml olive oil, pinch of salt, half teaspoon black pepper. This salad is packed with vitamins and is a perfect meal for weight loss. Make this salad today. Take a step towards your weight loss journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more healthy recipe. See you into the next video. Ciao.